Goodbye to diabetes and cholesterol in 5 days thanks to this magic drink. Although there are now alternatives to counteract any ill health, they are often expensive and in some cases can cause side effects in the body, and that is why most people are betting on the natural, as they find a way healthier and more economical way of ending these evils that can endanger the life of the human being. As we know, vegetables are usually very favorable for health because of all the nutrients and vitamins they have, and that is why in this publication we will talk about the pumpkin, since it can benefit in many ways without the need to resort to nothing more. In this case we will tell you that pumpkin seeds have numerous nutrients, such as cucurbitacin. An ideal way to prevent the growth of the prostate is to consume 1 tablespoon pumpkin seeds every day. Here we will tell you how to prepare a drink with pumpkin seeds which will help you treat inflammation of the prostate, high cholesterol or gastritis, diabetes. So without further ado, pay much attention to what you will read below. Ingredients: 1 handful of fresh pumpkin seeds. 1 cup with water. Preparation and use: 1. Squeeze the handful of fresh pumpkin seeds, letting heating 1 cup of water while you make the seeds process. When the water begins to boil, remove from the heat and add the crushed seeds. 2. Allow the infusion to rest for 10-15 minutes and strain to separate the seeds. Drink the infusion every day. Soon you will notice great improvement with the enlarged prostate, but also with your general